Hi everyone, thanks for checking out my channel. I'm going to have a look, continuation of last week about coffee, where we got some nice buy signal on the breakout of that large cup and handle figure breakout at 104 that led us to this level at 108 with a strong closure on Friday. Almost the high of the day, so very positive. I'm going to look at what happened here during the quote reporting period just to see if it does actually confirm previously, a bit just before the breakout, that we could get some bullish report there, and look at where we could get for the coming week. So the quote report, we could see during that time open interest increase from by 3k, which is positive. We could see the managed money didn't add long position, which is not as bullish as expected, and they were actually closing short, which is potentially not as good as having a strong accumulation for the long. So that's probably pointing to less potential for that move up, but again, still positive. So I think it's not nothing actually going against the current trend. Of course, we could see the retail traders been trying to short the market there, so it got probably squeezed out, and they will likely continue. Also, of course, we're seeing the number of contracts. It's not highly relevant comparing to what are actually trading the managed money and other funds, but still could have some impact on the price. Now, further to the current price action, we can see a nice bull flag forming here between roughly 108.6 and the low. It is sitting at the previous pivot point on 106.50. Should we get a break of that figure, that I believe we will get, let's take the bull flag from the bottom here. It's relatively straightforward. We break out from here, so we would have a target at 117, which is actually very close to the target we had for the cup and handle pattern. So looking there, and on the breakout, it is from here. It is stopping more on the trend line at 116. So believe conservatively with the long position, a close about at 117 is probably safe enough. It's giving a good profit for that trade, and potentially looking at what will happen here. Should we start seeing something similar to what we had here? So that was back this year, yeah, just around here. That was in March this year. Then we could see that during that move from 124 to 129, we got that divergence here on the, I think that one is the 4 hours, yes. Should we start seeing something similar? And it's potentially possible with that the current momentum we get, but should we see the momentum building up on this level and not seeing any significant divergence there, could actually be a breakout for another complete switch in the trend, as if we give up on that trend line here, that could definitely reverse the longer time trend. So it could be interesting to actually re-enter on a pullback potentially on that trend line. But again, the target for now is sitting here, and I believe we are probably going to reach this next week, as it's only about 8-9% up, which is not so much for coffee. So yeah, I'm going to have a look again on the midweek and see how we go. Till then, I wish you safe trading, and I speak to you soon. Just bye.